is ag dul an arcanar a Fháilí. Le créibh fe na hair Buaicphointí áit a gréibh line feiticha agus ardú céime go raibh hen ad an Sraith Iomána na bliana se chuing bantamach an aireoch lo an drí bholig a chur chóirsaí le churn. nó an léireoch imróí na néise go raibh a réig de chréibh na món. Mach darmach donnacha agus Donald Grady a hamon trátrata le Ceannais Iomána Allianz hen bí.
Ceannais ag Iwálaí is the gear near the eyebrow to us. Catch him Bristol sheer. Shane Bennett dul sheer nishes. She fought Shane or Dara Irtá. Over what? Ag an duine is óige an trúr a sin bute fada ag Shane atá tí bute go maige. Óir go mú, cé scór fáte Shane Bennett. Michael Kennedy kunna súl géir a chórsaí. Dar lines of Chata Machas Chin and Pascal Rygaji, Patrick Curran in the vertical club Kena, Ilin Gary, Patrick Vegan, no, Shin Mola, Arsenal scoring Patrick Curran. She can't sit Tashi in the Octostrian Fatarashi, Port Lauriga reached. Or the Shin Shane Bennett and Shane Bennett past Chassis, she'll butcher the Smachtig hauling a Desi, Kahunji Shin, Tasha Shin hauling her father, Desi, Brana Shin, Hoeska, Margul Mostrum on the Kerza.
Skillinson agus Annalí Road Stephen Bennett or Shane Bennett de staach chuige agus an sin an dacrtí tá ag bocamach go fáilen san caiith dul garad go dtíon lína 5 méadar agus é bógus sús fan Parkinson.
Tá sin denta an tamse an sele fáte Páir Cantwell. Páir Cantwell is an pasta chuiristeach a ríisinis. Agus an sele was an Canchan Budse ag a Bharlar Parka na Cathal King Colin Jazz fáte Cathal. Tincha Shear. Mark Fitzgerald. Mark to score one, Fáilte Mark to Tortfi Canada would score Ella Fáilte Mark Fitzgerald. Her bar, her fod on Cussendor is far the Port Lauriga O'Hus is Fradley in a bonnet. Spain is the brand of who's first in the road, 10 shots a lower, can more roared. The Gavin 5 is a cool ocean, which you Fáilte Gavin 5, Nietzsche Fáilte Gavin 5, and died in the Chatamach, Tasha Fáilte Egg Diden. Piece of Ashkilla, Egg Brian is the Jagar region, is Tasha, Spool Jasmine or Cool, Tashi Fóilte give him a rock, Cool Tastal, August on Towels into Billy Nolan. Well, we've died in it, give us Spool or Cool, as Annie Rutoi shoot, Achvi Nolan and Annie Ginero. Irla Daly, Bunchamachi, Diden, Paddy Levy Brandon, Diden, past Chassis, Shil Bulchestach, and Chella Fáilte call to Aka Reach Will, Diden Girgul Reach Will, Diden Sokantalo, Neil, and John Michael Kennedy out in the Akra, the Spalach. Ní Lochlanta Iwálaí ro hostal a sin bach special Trish Tamil Bidger Brandon sin reach Margul Diden a tal of the shot agus a gorthe Dan but the numbers Tá Chelevig Mark Fitzgerald and Pascal Roiga Di Patrick Curran a Tortfi score on Hunkel Contavlina but to order Patrick Curran but to fantastic Patrick Curran on Rafael Agativela Bertson Chinnas Pardon Salahar Caleb Paddy Levy Paddy Trastic Jamie Byrne Jimmy Brandon's host Goni, Shasta Brandon's host as a stach, a draw the club Sean Welch and Thompson. Tá Iwálaí a feutunish fi, Chun Christian Welch what needs lodge red needs luha. Dar lines and ish, a bull of fat and talong and Jessic Dara Hagahen, Tashi Ordiga, Tasha Garrish Chakanish, a goal cost Illinger to Tortfi score, Shen Eros the Dara lines, Shen score and Scott Dara lines, Capna go major, on Zachary score a lot for Eros throw. High get off on the Bullisir Shawalla. Anchatil Ken in the park, Risha Shachadro Desi. Glote Desi, Glote, Koshi with the ass, Mahan Chonish, Kuji, Stephen Bennett, Fotchik Stephen is coming with the goal, Stephen Abola fast on Colin Stephen, on Smacht, Desi, 3-2. Kegwell Port Lauriga Gibbers, or Ovalli Gibbers, we said there, Neil 3 Hurling scorer to Aka. Dine in a Rish, and Canor took a Gairy, a Bradley Road, a Casa Hart, or Bola, Cooley Butcher, Chanter Cole scores the Billy Nolan, Nakola, on the Shimach, August and Cole scores Oshin Kelly.
Yeah, and a goal scenario on Sunday died in August or Vulture Doctors to Vulture and Post on Son August Billy Nolan, Mark capture good actually $4 on Son, you know, August, you know. Oshin Kelly and a cool and son. Better go do the Shishin Friday in Dorvinish.
Is that Sherry Gershel was actually far hole and pucks here second to him. August sheer Hockencha, Honey Canchan Olis, pass all in each of the stock to Desi Rish. Desi Rish is a come on Correga. Fashi first mark to get past Cluiche stock, which is Mark Fitzgerald the stock, Patrick Curran, which is winner Cole. And Cole fought Patrick Curran. Troya, Stephen Bennett, Desi. Mark Fitzgerald, Patrick Curran, Cole.
An a Cluiche an son agus Huss an son sin ceann glóid an son Desi agus tána bhí an Cluiche beag nach ceann céan an son Patrick Curran beidir denoméidir hin agus níor thug Jamie Barn an líródó agus ar a fóiste an pass an tomsá.
Bhí teachta ríis agus Oisín Kelly was a cool fáte go sin a chance gur Cole eile agus tá Cole eile gur Oisín Kelly. Well, beidir gur an botún a géad gan ní réhótar na sin ord chúl go Joe pasáling crucht an scop.
An a bhfuil an son ach beidir go méid dímá an son ar Billy Nolan an son bhí sé san áid ceart agus just becódó just céim a hógad ar clé nuair a bhí Oisín á bhúr a feachar dá seaach sé sús an son beidir go méid chance go just í stoppa.
Daniel Burke híomh go Jason Sampson. Jason osin sin a ggólaí scuilinn sé ceann fada isteachchan sin. Ní rud tá sí fáte Dynan bhfuil an tú góla teach. Dynan bhfuil fáil idir Dynan. Níl de réidir bhí dóham copnar í tíracha ach Láirge tá amachchan sin agus tá bhfuil is agus gúil an slú dúise ar dearagóna le teo. Taige tá amachchan is. Dynan th bar an sin róhádaiste agus níis ar taringu síra chamáin. Rinne Billy Nolan go in ceart horstó has strasúas agus
Ceapas go raibh fiollar
Ceapna héanaar Ceapna héin chumá Ceapna héin chumá Fháilí Fitzgerald go le go róthir leis an áit go bhfuil tribloid an seanmh cáiteige í fáte rais ag bhálaí í fáte Daniel Burke a brenn an spruch Daniel Burke a bula ord agus Daniel Burke a bula Harry Traslan Taig can mór fad is cuilte nóid go le fanta job by nóid na go am grúteamh gorta can sin brisi síos Shelley fáte rais ag bhálaí ríist cáilte acha agus Patrick Curran a fear fór an cólís loha Patrick Gold Trastan Jordish Caution Patrick Canton Wola Haragolin Ceachóid sí sin dá sí Harry Trastan Colin táach ag Patrick Curran Chola sé tó gáinál agus an adó ggernach séite agus tá Sraith Iomána Allianz Roinn hen B na bliana fiche the cúig buite ag Port Láirge Scór dernach an seo Port Láirge hen fix na seacht I bhálaí dó a fethe
Taig there was very strong in both the first and second half. Tell us a bit more about having him back there and the experience I suppose he brings back.
Yeah, sure, I think everyone knows how good Taig is. I suppose he works so hard to get his body right. He hasn't played much of the league, but look, he fits back in seamlessly and he's massive for us and hopefully we can keep him in there now for the rest of the year.
We've gradually gathered momentum. Look, we know it's a massive step up what we're going to turn in 3 weeks' time. Clare, the All-Ireland champions, and Limerick, then Tipton and Cork. So look, it's not going to get easy, but we haven't been getting out of Munster. So look, the first thing is Clare again is massive. So we need to be Clare in 3 weeks' time, and that'll kickstart you up. We're looking no further than that because you can't afford it, you know.